Alright, man. Look, they get some radical grinds over here. Oh, look at that corn. Hot dog. Oh, the Ika. Oh, the beer. Check them out. And this is the takoyaki. This is what this region is known for. Oh, they put squid inside and they fry them like when Okinawan, what do you call that? Okinawan chichidango, not chichidango. Oh man, I forget the doggone word, but it's round. And it's kind of like inside of whee! Never mind. Alright, we're going underneath one bridge. So the bridge is short, see? So they gotta bring the roof down. Fit underneath the roof of the.
Watch your hand, Lester, watch your hand.
Now we can fit underneath the roof of the temple. See how tall Bill came? Bill gained about 3 inches.
From water level to ceiling.
Wow, 1.3 meter.
Normal height.
Height.
窓際には手やお荷物などにご注意ください。
Please pay attention to the movement of the ceiling.
Of ceiling.
请暂时勿将手靠在窗边及放置物品。
Are
you filming or you're gonna take a photo?
Check out the bridge, check out the bridge. Wow, look at that.
江戸時代の宮川は現在堺市と大阪市の境を流れております大和川の本流であり大阪平野の東側に広がる田園を見越す
That's the Osaka castle in the background. Today is April the 12th, Thursday, time is 11:54.
There it is.
There it is, the
1600年代の合戦
crown jewel.
夏の陣大阪城の周囲を流れるこの川は戦国最後の大決戦の舞台としてとても重要な
Explosive carried to war by ship while loading from the cave.
There's a tunnel where they loaded some stuff and they put them through the cave and they blow stuff up with them.
Liar.
No, she said that.
Oh.
It's just that that's my interpretation.
Oh my god.
Where's the tunnel? It's in there. That's why it's a tunnel. You can't see it. Huh? Yeah, opening, but they cover them because it's secret.
Can do. Even an interest. Alright? So lunch first, aquarium. At a lunchtime, I made an announcement to meet at the bus. I'll let you know later.
Alright, man. Here we are in one authentic Japanese restaurant. We're gonna eat some freaking crazy stuff, bro. Here we go. We're lining up. And this is our team right here. So what you do is you just get everything and just throw them in the middle and eat them all one time. Alright, here we go. That is the AB. Wow, look at this hot dog. But they calling them shrimp. Oh, Ken, you get the line up right there.
Yeah, you put the meat away from your vegetable.
Oh, that's what we do.
Well, that's what I do.
Okay. You don't like cross-contaminated, huh? Wow, check them out. Oh, look. Spam.
That's what it said. Oh, it says beef. I thought
Yeah.
it said wolf.
That's an endangered species.
That's right.
What is that? Oh, mushroom.
I have no idea. Just try them all.
Yeah. And then they get the other stuff over here. This is all the sauces, the noodles. Oh man, right there, bro. That's the one. Yeah. There you go. All right, here we are. We're in some kind of a grinding eating establishment. We are in Osaka, and we just seen the sakura blossoms, and we got Bill and Yvette. Oh, we got me and Cindy right here. Hey, look at that. Hi. Look, you better take our picture. I will.
Thank you. With the food.
With the food, naturally.
1, 2, 3. Nice.
Oh,
Thank
beautiful. Oh my God.